Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Okay, today we will have your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, say something about yourself.
My birthday is
What's your name?
My name is Tao. I'm 12 years old. My birthday is on February of 11. I in Paris, Hanoi. My family is my father, my mother.
There are.
There are my
How many people are there in your family? How many people?
I'm 4 people.
There are.
There are 4 people in my family.
My.
My father, my mother, my sister, and me.
Okay.
I study at Chanda Secondary School. My hobby is play badminton.
Playing badminton.
Playing badminton.
Okay, Bao, let's start. Let's have this one. What is it?
Daily store. A daily store.
Daily.
Daily store.
No store. What is this?
Bakery store.
This one?
Pizzeria.
Okay, now let's have this one. Did he say that he was going to the what did he say? What did
He said that
he was
at the
going to the
going to the rally.
Okay, what did she say?
He
She said
she said that
she was
going
going to the arcade.
arcade.
What did she say?
She said that she was going skate park
To the
to the skate park.
Okay, now, wow. Okay, so did she say that she was going to the sports stadium?
No.
No, she didn't. Okay, did she say that she was going to the mall?
Yes, she did.
Okay, what is this?
He
If if he will use recycle bags. What? How about this one?
She will consult and leave land.
She will plan.
She will plan a vegetable.
Okay, now wow, we focus. What's number one?
Muscle.
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 Two.
Tendon.
Okay, three. Leg.
Lemon.
Okay, four. Bone. Okay, now, if you want to have the environment, what can you do?
I can recycle bottle and can.
Bottles and cans.
Bottle and can.
Okay, next.
I can turn off the light.
What else?
I can use paper.
Okay, now how about this one? Name the kinds of pollution.
Land pollution.
Air pollution.
Air pollution. Land pollution.
Land pollution.
Water pollution.
Okay, what can you do to prevent this pollution? Wow.
I can recycle bottle and can. Recycle bottle and can.
Bottles and cans.
Bottle and can.
Okay, now let's have this one. Talk about the Picasso's painting.
Picasso painting.
What's this?
Melodies opera.
And this one?
Beethoven.
Beethoven's Sing.
Symphonies.
Okay, now talk about the engineering project. Okay, let's have this one.
The product was completed in
Completed.
1936.
36. 36.
36.
Okay, how about this one?
The Ericano was completed in 1988.
Which one?
The Over the Bridge.
Over the bridge. What's this? You don't know what it is?
The Taipei 101 building was completed in 2004.
Okay, now let's have this one. What are you doing now?
I am relative.
I am visiting my relatives.
Visiting relative now.
Okay, what have you been doing all weekend?
I have been visiting relative all weekend.
What are you doing now?
I am writing thank you card now.
What have you been doing all morning?
I have been writing thank you card all morning.
Thank you cards.
Thank you card
all
morning.
Oh, you practice bow. Okay, so that's our speaking test.